Annapolis buyers are still challenged by a shortage of affordable inventory, and with Wednesday's announcement that the Fed is not reducing rates, mortgage rates will likely stay firm, so no relief there. It's Friday, January 31st, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Prices are still up in Annapolis, but I caution sellers to carefully position their home price as we are seeing appraisers becoming cautious on their valuations. Annapolis inventory for sale dropped again this week to 97. 20 properties are coming soon. 19 homes went under contract in 22 days this past week. 21 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio in 17 days. Rentals dropped to 40 homes priced at $2,950 median per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 31st, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.